Subscribe with notifications on.
Those cars, without having those trucks, you can run a supermarket without you having a physical supermarket store. Some of you guys you don't know how to make money. You're sitting at home, you are confused, you've got laptops. These laptops, you're playing music, you're playing YouTube, you're doing all these type of things. Guys, let me tell you something. With a laptop, with your cell phone, you can make plenty money online. Plenty money. Do you know something called outsourcing? Do you know that? Something that's called outsourcing. You can actually go online and set up a company and say your name, your company is David's Transportation or David's or Peter Shuttle and Tours. Yeah, Peter Shuttle and Tours. You can go, you can just say your company name is Princess Travel. Princess Travel. Now, what you do, your phone, listen to me, using your phone. That's why you don't travel, because of you are sitting at home, you don't have any ideas on what to do, how to make money. I sat at home. I strategized. I'm in my house right now. I'm in my house. My house is huge. Understand? What I did, I opened companies. I opened one company. Listen to me what I did. I opened one company, online business. I opened one company. I opened a website. I put that website in Johannesburg. Open another website. I put the website in Durban. Open another website. I put the website in PE. I open another website. I put a website in East London. I open another website. I put it for Kimberley. Open another website. I put it for Cape Town. Now, what I normally do with all these websites, if one company website give me $1,000 per day, sorry, per month, and the other one gives me $500, the other one gives me something like $300, another one give me $400, another one give me $3,000, another one. How much is that money combined together? So this is what I did. I was clever. I used my computer. I sat at home. I was clever. See what I did? I started looking. I said, you know what? South Africa, there's no money. I'm tired of earning rents. I opened companies. I put one company in Chicago, one company in Washington, one company in New York, one company in San Francisco. All these countries, I put one company in Germany, one company in London. Now, I opened multiple websites. I'm a web developer myself, right? If you don't know, maybe perhaps you need someone to design a website, you can contact me. Or perhaps, you know, I won't charge you much more money. I'll design a website for less than 5,000 rand. I'll design a website for you for less than 5,000 rand, even less than 4,000 rand. Just a mere 5 pages, 4,000 rand. You sorted, you get sorted. Sorry guys, the sun is just going down now. But hopefully I'm thinking that you can still see me, right? Right. Now, so you can go to any friend, anybody who can assist you to actually get a website, company website. And what do? You outsource, my brother. You outsource, my sister. You outsource. South Africans, you can still travel. You can make money. That's what I do. I do that. I don't rely on the government. No, I do that. I'm giving you business ideas on how to make money, on how to travel, what you can do to travel, to be out there with other guys out there. Understand? Those companies now, when I put those companies in these cities, each and every company will have a telephone number. There is a lot of companies you can use online that can give you a number for Chicago, that can give you a number for USA, for New York, can give you a number for San Francisco, can give you a number for Tampa, phone gig and give you a number for even for Nigeria. If you can still operate, run your businesses while you're in Nigeria and run services for South Africa and transport clients. You understand? And what you do, you sit home, you start sitting down, you prepare, you look for, people that can work with you, people that has got knowledge in marketing. You tell them, look, I'm not going to, I need someone to work for me, but I'm not going to pay you a salary. I will pay you based on what we are going to make. You know how I pay my employees? I give them 20%. If I get 100,000 rand from one company, that person, I give the person that one company to run. I say, look here, I'm going to mentor you. I will do this. I will do this. I will give them a company to run. I'm managing them, right? I do my own marketing. It's easy to get business. It's very easy. Many companies are looking for service providers there. Travel agencies are looking for service providers. They've got clients who are traveling to America, to Brazil, to South America, to North America, everywhere. They've got people that are traveling, clients who are traveling on a daily basis, going to Africa. Africa is broad. You understand? As much as Europe is broad, they've got clients who are traveling to Barcelona, clients who are traveling to Italy, Madrid, Germany, France, Paris, all those type of things. Now you approach those companies and say, hey guys, I'm looking for partnership. I'm looking for partnership. What you need to do is simple. You can go online and register your company. You can go online and register a company. You can run listen to me, you can run a store, you can even run a restaurant without you having money. You can go to Uber Eats and register a company there. First go and register a company. Once you have registered the company, what you do, within 3 to 4 days you'll get your company papers. You sort it. It's cheaper, man. It's about 400 rand, 380 rand to register a company. So you can do it online. Then the company papers will come. You go to Uber Eats, you apply, send them company papers and everything, sort that you are legit, and they prepare everything for you. They will provide you with their mobile to take orders and all those type of things. You can even have a restaurant at home. You start cooking. If you've got your sister or your brother who knows how to do the thing, who knows how to cook, you start cooking. The orders will be coming like this, left and right. Left and right. Let me show you. Hold on a second. Let me show you. Let me show you something. Hold on a second, guys. Hold on a second for me. Right. Can you guys see this? It's a tablet. It came from Uber Eats, right? Then you just click there. Sorry. Just click there. So what's happening here, man? Okay, hold on. Right. You just click there. You see? Now, you can manage your store here. You can do everything. You can put your hours. You can do everything. Set up everything. Uber Eats will give you this thing. So this thing is a tablet that they provide to you free of charge. Right? They provide to you. And let me show you how it comes in a box. Hold on a second. You see, it comes in a box like this. You see, Uber Eats, right, in a box like this. You can do this, you can make money. Stop sitting at home. Stop suffering and crying, waiting for the government to support you. They will never do nothing for you. They will give you RDP, you are going to suffer with your RDP. You're going to stay there forever. You understand? So wake up. You can do that. You can make money. You can have a restaurant. You can make money while you're at home. You understand? Like I'm doing. I created about 72 companies for myself. 72 companies. Everywhere, each and every day, I make money. I get bookings from different companies. You understand? If a booking is worth something like $100, which is something that I cannot get in South Africa. South African transfers are very cheaper. They will charge you for a mere, let me say, for a booking worth about 45 kilos.